here's what has happened over the last couple of weeks. We actually ended up below normal this afternoon. 95 only the high. It really wasn't that bad. If you thought today was horribly hot, it really wasn't. 95 degrees the high. We still have maybe another hour or so of heat to go. That high could maybe climb to 96, but I don't see it getting close to 100 degrees this afternoon, at least in terms of that high out at DFW. So look at all the below normal days we've had over the last couple of weeks. Yesterday obviously ended a streak of below normal days with hitting 97, which is right at normal for this time of the year. But yeah, the last couple of weeks, not too bad at all. But it is kind of back to reality. 97 the high yesterday, normal for this time of the year. You know, we were close to normal this afternoon, at least a lot closer than we've been over the last couple of weeks. And quite a few locations were 97, 98 degrees this afternoon as well. But through Wednesday at least, which is tomorrow, heat advisory in place, likely going to be extended in some form or fashion each and every day this week and into the weekend, because highs are still going to just kind of increase by a degree or 2 or 3 each and every day the rest of the week and into the weekend. And those heat index values with the humidity will still be 105 or hotter across a good chunk of North Texas. It's not just us, the entire state of Oklahoma, well, except for one little county there in the Oklahoma Panhandle. I think technically that's Cimarron County out there in the far Oklahoma Panhandle, not under a heat advisory. Excessive heat warnings, kind of the eastern half of Arkansas there, a good chunk of Missouri, also along the Mississippi River area from Memphis and down into portions of Mississippi at the moment. That's because high pressure is taking back control. It will slide off to the west a little bit this weekend. It's not going to weaken enough to really cool us off substantially, but it does open the door maybe for a stray shower or storm this weekend, and it's just going to hang out close enough to us through next week where the highs are going to be at or around 100. It'll be humid, widespread rain. That's not likely anytime soon, but it doesn't mean that we can't have some low rain chances from time to time. The heat is here though. 100 tomorrow, 101 on Thursday, 102 Friday, 101 on Saturday, maybe briefly down to below 100 degrees on Sunday with a high of 95. But there you go. Those heat index values, 105 plus for the foreseeable future. Doesn't mean the entire day will feel like that, but those peak afternoon heat index values around 105, if not maybe 106, 107 at times. We're dry the rest of the week. Nothing going on tomorrow, nothing going on Thursday. But as I mentioned, as that high pressure moves just off to the west enough, opens the door for a weak front to move in here. That's why we dropped to 99 on Sunday. But it also opens the door for maybe a few pop-up showers and storms on Saturday, maybe a little activity on Sunday, although Sunday looks like the bulk of activity will stay south of North Texas. So it's a 10-20% coverage of rain this upcoming weekend. Don't cancel any plans or anything like that. There's just a chance that you could have a few pop-up showers and storms out there. Dry, muggy, and breezy because there's no chance the rest of the week. 79 will be your low, and then tomorrow hot, humid, and breezy, 100 for the high. Triple digits Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, briefly below 100 degrees for a couple of days this upcoming weekend and into next week. And then the next 7, much of the same, anywhere from 98 to 100 plus. Once again, maybe a few pop-up showers or storms there toward the end of that following week and into that weekend, but nothing organized, nothing substantial anytime soon. We just got to wait till we start getting some cold fronts back, some more significant cold fronts back in here, and that probably won't happen till
second week of October.
Yeah, exactly.